If you're like me, you have zero time to renovate a house. So if you want to be in a cool neighborhood and you don't want to lift a finger with renovations, then you should check out this listing in Highland Park. It's at 5511 Stratford Road, and it's just minutes away from York Blvd. And the cool part about this is that it has new HVAC, new electrical, new plumbing, new kitchens, new bathrooms. It is a really cute place. And it has a bonus 1-bedroom, 1-bath detached structure that's perfect for a studio or an office. I know you're gonna love this. Let's go take a look. I know this house is going to fly off the market, so if you want to see it, just give me a call at 213-268-6832. My name is felipecrook with eXp Realty, investing in your dreams.